Microsoft AI's report on MAI-Thinking-1 is not mainly a model card. It is a blueprint for a machine that keeps improving models.
The report calls this a hill-climbing machine. Data pipelines, training code, reinforcement learning environments, rewards, evaluations, safety tests, and infrastructure, all wired into one empirical loop.
The first product of that loop is MAI-Thinking-1, a reasoning model trained from scratch and then climbed through many rounds of feedback.
3 design principles set the tone. Capabilities should be learned, not inherited from copying another model. Simplicity should keep the recipe sustainable. Scientific rigor should make every shortcut testable.
That is why the report emphasizes clean, human-generated public and licensed data, no language model-generated synthetic data during pre-training, and no distillation from third-party models.
The point is not that imitation is never useful. The point is that the base climb should start from knowledge the system can measure and steer.
The base model is MAI-Base-1, a sparse mixture of experts transformer with 1 trillion total parameters and about 35 billion active parameters per token.
A mixture of experts means many expert blocks exist, but only a small subset is used for each token. In this model, the report describes 8 selected experts out of 512.
Pre-training runs on 30 trillion tokens, followed by mid-training that emphasizes STEM, math, coding, and long context. After that stage, the report says the model reaches a 256,000 token context length.
Pre-training makes a broad predictor. Reinforcement learning teaches the model how to spend thought, use tools, and respond.
For one prompt, the system samples a group of rollouts. A rollout is one candidate answer, or in agent tasks, a whole trajectory through tools and observations.
Each rollout receives a reward. The common reward shape is task reward, plus language consistency, minus a length penalty. Correctness matters, but stable language and efficient reasoning also matter.
The policy update is derived from GRPO, Group Relative Policy Optimization. The group lets the model compare its own candidates, which responses beat the group average, and which should become less likely.
The report adds 2 stability moves. Adaptive entropy control widens or tightens the policy update to avoid collapse or runaway randomness. An outer ratio clip blocks extreme probability jumps that can produce gradient spikes.
Long climbs fail if every crash means starting over. This is where self-distillation enters.
Self-distillation collects useful reasoning traces from the climb and uses supervised fine-tuning to restart from them. The report uses it to recover after numerical failures, to move progress into a new base checkpoint, and to filter out reward hacking traces.
In the animation, the star is not a magic checkpoint. It is a reset that preserves discovered behavior while letting reinforcement learning continue exploring.
The first specialist path is the STEM climb. It trains single-turn reasoning for math, science, and competitive programming.
Its dataset is built from verifiable pairs, a question with a ground truth answer, or a coding problem with tests. Answers can be checked by formal tools like SymPy, by judges, or by executing code.
The report says the STEM mix contains more than 5 million samples, with more than 550,000 in the hardest portion. The pipeline parses documents, pairs questions with answers, rewrites weak formats, scores difficulty, and decontaminates benchmarks.
The second specialist path is Agentic, software engineering and general tool use.
Here, a response is not just text. The model plans, calls a tool, observes the result, edits code or state, and tries again.
Software tasks run inside a sandbox execution environment, or C, isolated containers with repositories, dependencies, tools, and hidden tests. The reward can be as concrete as tests moving from failing to passing.
That turns tool use into a training environment, not a prompt trick.
The third specialist path is helpfulness and safety.
Some goals are verifiable, like obeying use fewer than 10 words. Others need human preference models or rubric-guided AI judges.
The important mechanism is reward priority. Safety can gate quality. If a response violates policy, it gets the minimum reward no matter how polished it sounds.
This is also where the report trains against over-refusal, honesty failures, style issues, and instruction hierarchy problems.
The 3 specialists do not ship as 3 separate assistants. They become teachers.
Their traces are distilled into one consolidated model through supervised fine-tuning. Then, a final lightweight reinforcement learning climb improves safety, over-refusal, and style while preserving reasoning.
In the reported consolidation mixture, STEM and coding dominate token weight because their traces are long, while general helpfulness and safety carry a larger sample weight than their token count suggests.
At this scale, the infrastructure is part of the algorithm.
YOLO is the in-house training framework for pre-training, mid-train fine-tuning, and learner-side reinforcement learning. Rocket is the large asynchronous RL framework.
Rocket has a controller, problem workers, rollout workers, an inference pool, a learner pool, stores, metrics, and weight transfer. The inference side uses SGLang, and in large jobs, most chips can be devoted to inference rollouts rather than the learner.
The report's engineering theme is good put, not just peak throughput, but useful progress under crashes, restarts, numerical mismatch, and long rollouts.
The report's headline numbers are strong for a model of this shape: 52.8% on SGLang Pro, 97% on AIM 2025, 94.5% on AIM 2026, and 87.7% on Live Code Bench version 6.
The evaluation section says MAI-Thinking-1 is competitive with Sonnet 4.6 across a wide benchmark range, exceeds it on AIM 2025, and approaches Opus 4.6 on SGLang Pro.
The important reading is not one model wins everywhere. It is that a from-scratch system reached competitive reasoning, coding, tool, and safety behavior through a reproducible climb.
Safety is also treated as a loop. The team reports internal safety benchmarks, jailbreak evaluations, continuous internal red teaming, and independent red teaming.
Findings feed back into training data, policy refinements, rewards, and tests. The desired model is not merely one that refuses more. It should refuse harmful requests, answer borderline but allowed ones, and avoid over-refusal.
In the hill climbing view, safety is another measured slope.
The core idea is simple: build the machinery that makes improvement measurable, repeatable, and resilient.
MAI-Thinking-1 is one checkpoint on that mountain. The hill climbing machine is the part Microsoft wants us to notice.